Let's dive into a powerful story of personal transformation and an often overlooked approach to mental health. Imagine this: a 56-year-old man, let's call him John, has been battling depression and anxiety for most of his life. A common struggle, right? But here's where it gets interesting. John decides to take a leap of faith and try something completely different. John, feeling overwhelmed, makes a bold move and quits his job, thinking it'll provide the much-needed respite. But, and this is a crucial point, it backfires. Isolation and the lack of routine take a toll on his mental health. This is a common trap many of us fall into when we're struggling. We think time alone will heal, but it can often make things worse. Personally, I've seen this pattern time and again. Now, here's where the narrative takes a fascinating turn. John, desperate for a solution, pleads with his GP for an alternative to medication. And this is where social prescribing enters the scene. This concept is a game changer, in my opinion. It's about prescribing activities, not pills. John meets a team that introduces him to simple yet powerful activities like gardening, walking groups, and volunteering. These aren't just hobbies, they're therapeutic tools. What makes this approach so effective is that it tackles the root causes of many mental health issues: isolation, lack of purpose, and routine. John's experience highlights the power of community and engagement. It's not just about keeping busy, it's about reconnecting with the world in a meaningful way. This is a powerful reminder that healing often comes from within our communities, not just from a pill bottle. The beauty of this story is that it challenges our traditional understanding of mental health treatment. It's not just about managing symptoms, it's about addressing the underlying causes. This narrative leaves us with a profound question: how can we integrate these holistic approaches into mainstream mental health care? It's a topic that deserves more attention and discussion in my book.